Hello dear students, myself Mohammad Asim, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Art Science, Commerce College. As we have seen before, we are studying about methods of integration, in which we are studying about reduction formula. We have calculated many different types of reduction formula for different types of functions. Now, today we will do reduction formula for algebraic and trigonometric function. So, for reduction formula, obtain reduction formula for integration x raised to m cos nx, x raised to m into cos nx dx, and apply it to solve x cube cos 3x, x cube cos 3x. Correct? X cube cos 3x is indefinite integral. Now, we have already seen that whenever two functions are in multiplication and we are going to find integration of that function, then we have to find u and v, and the function u is stood for differentiation and v is stood for integration. Now, the function u and v can be find with the help of dx. First of all, consider I equals to integration x raised to m cos nx dx. Now, by using Liet, we can decide the function u and the function v. So we know that it is algebraic function, and algebraic functions comes at the place of 1, 2, 3. Correct? And cos nx is trigonometric function, and trigonometric function comes at 4. Now 3 comes before 4, so we can write, therefore u is equals to x raised to m and v is equals to cos nx. Friends, we have decided the function u and the function v for simplifying our integration to get integration of function which having two functions in multiplication. So first of all, we have to decide the function u, which is for differentiation in the formula of integration u into v, and v is for integration. Since we know that the integration of u into v is equals to taking u outside of the integration and integration of v only minus then integration of differentiation of u and integration of v whole integration. It is a formula for integration of u into v, and I already told you that we are choosing function x raised to m and cos raised to nx as u and v only for finding the function for differentiation and a function for integration. Which function in Lie comes first becomes u, and which is used in this formula for only differentiation, and a function which is comes in the next place in the multiplication of two function, that function called as v, and it is used for integration in this formula. So we can put I is equals to integration of x raised to m cos nx dx is equals to taking x raised to m as u, taking outside, integration of cos nx dx minus this one integration of differentiation of x raised to m integration cos nx dx and dx. We have just put the values of u and v in the formula and we get this step. Now, x raised to m as it is, and integration of cos nx becomes sin nx upon n, correct? By using integration of cos nx dx formula. Now minus as it is, integration as it is, differentiation of x raised to m, differentiation of x raised to m becomes m x raised to m minus 1, and into integration of cos nx will give us sin nx upon n and whole dx. Correct? Now simplify this equation. We will get x raised to m sin nx upon n minus m upon n x raised to m minus 1 sin nx dx. Since m and n are constant numbers, so we have taken it outside from the integration and we wrote this equation as minus m by n integration of x raised to m minus 1 sin nx dx. Now take this equation as I2. Right? And simplify this equation by using Lie and find the reduction formula for this. We will get I2 is equal to integration x raised to m minus 1 sin nx dx is equal to, this one is u and this one is v. Since algebraic functions comes before trigonometric functions. So x raised to m minus 1 integration of sin nx dx minus integration of dy dx of x raised to m minus 1, because here u is m minus 1, x raised to m minus 1. Now integration sin nx dx dx. Now after simplifying, we will get x raised to m minus 1, integration of sin nx will give us cos minus cos nx upon n minus integration of x raised, integration of derivative of x raised to m minus 1, it will give us m minus 1 x raised to m minus 2, and integration of sin nx will give us minus cos nx upon n dx. After simplifying this equation, we will get minus x raised to m minus 1 cos nx upon n This minus and this minus becomes plus m minus 1 constant taking outside m constant taking outside, you will get x raised to m minus 2 cos nx dx. Correct? Now we have I2 is equals to this one, and if you consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, then we can say put the value of equation 2 in equation 1, and we will get I is equals to x raised to m sin nx upon n minus this one minus m by n, and value of I2 is equals to this, means minus x raised to m minus 1 cos nx upon n, then plus m minus 1 upon n x raised to m minus 2 cos nx dx. So we can write this equation as x raised to m sin nx upon n. Now minus become plus m by n square x raised to m minus 1 cos nx, and this minus and plus becomes minus m minus 1 n square integration x raised to m minus 2 cos nx dx, and it is the required reduction formula. Now it is the required reduction formula. What we have done? We have simply used u into v formula, and by using or by the help of or with the help of liage, we choose u and v function for differentiation and integration, and simply using formulas of integration, basic formulas of integration, the derivation comes up to this equation, and it is a required reduction formula. Now, by using this reduction formula, we have to calculate integration x raised to 3 cos 3x dx. By using this required formula, we have to calculate integration x cube cos 3x dx. Since say I am equals to integration x cube cos 3x dx. Now here power of x means m, so m is equals to 3, and cos nx, and here cos 3x means n is also equals to 3. Now put this value 3 at the place of m and 3 at the place of n, we can simplify this equation. So by using reduction formula, we can write it as x cube cos sin sine 3x upon n is equals to 3, that is 3 plus 3 upon 3 square x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2 cos 3x minus 3 minus 1 means 3 into 2 and 3 square, that we can write 9 and x raised to 3 minus 2 means x cos 3x dx. Correct? This equation becomes x cube sine 3x 3 plus 3 by 9 or 1 by 3 x square cos 3x now minus 2 by 3 x cos 3x. Now this one, say it is Im, calculate Im, x cos 3x dx, where m is equals to 1 and n is equals to 3. M is equals to 1 and n is equals to 3. So by putting in this equation we will get x as it is sine 3x upon 3, then 1 upon 3 square, that is 9, x raised to m, and m is 1 minus 1, x raised to 0, x raised to 0 becomes 1 cos 3x minus m is equals to 1 minus 1 0 multiplied by the whole term will give us 0. So this equation becomes x cube, or we can write this value at the place of Im, and we will get the required result of integration of x cube cos 3x dx. So we know that Im is equals to this one, x cube sine 3x upon 3, then x square cos 3x upon 3 minus 2 upon 3, and value of Im is x sine 3x upon 3 plus cos 3x upon 9, and after simplifying this we will get x cube sine 3x upon 3 plus x square cos 3x upon 3. After multiplying this 2 by 9 x sine 3x and plus minus 2 by 27 cos 3x, and it is the real function of integration x cube cos 3x dx. What we have done? We have integration of x cube cos 3x dx to find, and we have already calculated or find or proved the formula for reduction formula for x raised to m cos nx dx. By using this formula x raised to m cos nx dx, by using this formula we have easily put values of m and n into the reduction formula, and we will easily find the final answer of the integration. So today it is enough for this lecture. In next lecture we will do one more reduction formula, and that will be the last topic of this chapter, and after that lecture we will start later on a new chapter. Till then, stay with us, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.